Discovery Plus can stop working on your Samsung TV due to a temporary glitch. Slow internet can also create a problem. If your Samsung TV is outdated, then Discovery Plus can stop working on your Samsung TV. Your Discovery Plus app can face problems due to corrupted or stored cache and data. Take the Samsung TV remote. Press and hold the power button on your Samsung TV remote. Once the Samsung TV restart releases the button, press the home button. Now launch Discovery Plus and check if it is working. Unplug the TV from the power source. Leave for 5 to 10 minutes. Plug your TV back into a power source. Turn on your TV. On your Samsung TV remote, press the home button. Go to the apps option and select Settings. Select Discovery Plus app and select Delete. Unplug the modem/router's power cable from the source and remove any cables connected to the router ports. Wait for 5 minutes and then connect router cables to power. Now wait till the router properly powers on and its lights are stable. Now connect your TV with Wi-Fi. Press the home button and open the Smart Hub. Select Settings in the Smart Hub. Choose the Software Update option. Choose Update now. Once the download is finished, follow the on-screen instruction to install it. Once again, take the Samsung TV remote. Go to the Settings and select Smart Hub. Select the Apps tab and then System Apps. Choose Discovery Plus and clear the cache. Press OK to confirm. Press the home button on the Samsung remote. Head to the Settings. Go to the General and then Self-Diagnostic. Choose Reset if you ask for a PIN. Enter 0000. Click OK to start the reset process.